This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 6th, 2022. It's currently April 9th, 2022. Hello my friends, this is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 6th, 2022. It's currently May 5th, 2022, 1:21 a.m. So it looks like we have some price swinging back and forth swings today. There's a gap down overnight, something that was previously hidden may be coming to light around the pre-market time, but we have a U-shaped dip around some perpendicular intersecting trend lines. We have continued decline through a support level to meet a second support level, and then we bounce along that support level before breaking down through more support levels around the open. We have a day's low here in the first half hour in the midst of a decline that increases in momentum as we move forward through the half hour. We have selling from a crest between roughly 10 and 11, a failed attempt to break a resistance level followed by a decline through support between roughly 11 and 12, and then we have another low correlator as well as a high correlator here. This is what makes me think that we probably have some price swinging going on here, among the fact that we have a trade opportunity pointing it right towards this area here, this time area here. The Two of Wands indicates price swings, and then we have high-low correlators overlapping each other. Price swings, my friends. There's going to be a notable decline here between roughly 12 and let's say 130, and then we're going to have the price swinging roughly around the 2 o'clock mark, and there's an opportunity there around 130-ish in the midst of that decline to open up a long position. And then we move much higher. We pop higher between roughly 2 and 3. There's a move higher to reach a day's high in the last hour. And that day's high is then retraced, it looks like, in the post-market. We have bumping along resistance right around the close. We made breakthrough resistance and then bump along another resistance, but the majority of the behavior right there around the close is going to be bumping along resistance. Failed attempt to break resistance in the post-market, followed by a decline through a notable support level, and that would be the retracement of the move higher that we had at the end of the day. There's an important price level that is may be indicated here by the truce card, the Four of Swords, or the behavior around the low is going to be like lulls in volatility, like a decrease in volatility, decrease in let's say volume, if you will, and then the high is going to be at the upper end of a range. And that's the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 6, 2022, my friends. Let me know what you think. I love reading these comments, guys. It really does help support. I mean, I really, it's I'm really glad to see people getting something out of this. Like, I worked so hard and so long, and so many people told me, oh, you're crazy. What are you looking at pictures? Like, grow up. Yeah, now what, my friends? Now what? I'll see you on the next one. Hit that subscribe button.